All right. Match the expression with the property used. Identity property of multiplication. That will get you back to itself. Hence the name identity itself. So that'll be 1 times B is equal to B. The identity property of addition, similar to multiplication, a number that'll get you back to yourself. So A plus 0 equals A. Then the additive inverse tells us that opposites will always add to get 0. All right, number 2, solve. X plus 15 equals 25. X plus 9 equals 34. I always separate my equation, teach my students to do the same. And you always do the inverse operation. They add it, we need to subtract from both sides. So now we have x is equal to 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. All right, the same on the other side. They added 9, so we would do the inverse, which is subtract 9. Read up, leaves with 25. All right, number 3. Kristen walks in the neighborhood every afternoon. She walks 3 1/4 miles every day, except Sundays. How far does she walk each week? 7 days in a week minus Sunday would be 6 days. So that would be 3 1/4 times 6. Change the improper fraction. Change the mixed number to an improper fraction. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 give us 13/4. 6 is a whole number, so write it with a denominator of 1. And then multiply like normal. 78/4. Simplify because improper fraction. All right, so we'll be left with 19 and 2/4, which simplifies to 19 and a half. All right, number 4. Once again, we'll use inverse operations. I like to separate my equation. All right, they subtracted 9.5, so we need to add 9.5 on both sides. Okay, randomly slide. So now we got 49.5. All right, the other side, they added 5, so we need to subtract 5. -21 minus 5. Same sign, tell us to add and keep our sign. So we would get a -26. which equation represents the absolute value of -10. Absolute value tell you your distance from 0 or to 0. -10 would be 10 units from 0 in a negative direction. Absolute value is always positive. All right, number 6. Y divided by 5 equals to 20.5. They divided, so we should do the inverse, which is to multiply. Once again, I separate both. Multiply both sides by 5. One number after the decimal, 1 and 2.5. The other side. 5b equals to -25. 5b means they multiply, so we need to divide by 5 on both sides. Leaving us with b equals to -5. And number 7. Create an equivalent expression by combining like terms. Then they told you to use the descriptive property. 5 times y would give us 5y. 5 times 2b will get us 10b. 5 times 10 will get us 50. And bring the other stuff down. All right, we did the descriptive property. Now combine like terms tell us to combine those that are the same, and they got the same variable or constants. 5y and 7y would, 2y would give us 7y. 10b is by itself, so leave it by itself, no other b's. And then we got a 50 plus 7 to give us 57. All right, use the algebra tab model below to write an equation and solve. All right, so it looks like we have 3x is equal to 12. And you can solve through the equation by noting they multiply by 3. So we would divide by 3 to get x is equal to 4. And you can see in your diagram how 1x is equal to 4 units. All right, now it says simplify the expression below. Once again, use the descriptive property. 3 times 2x will give us 6x. 3 times -5 will give us -15. And then we still got our 2x. Combine our 6x with our -2x, and that will give us 4x. And we still got -15 by itself, or -15. So 4x minus 15. All right, use the model below to write an equation and solve it algebraically. Guess those are units. So that would be 4 is equal to x minus 3. And subtracted 3, we need to add 3. whatever means 7 is equal to x.